please sit down. Good morning, team. As you know, the beverage industry is full of strong competitors like Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Our challenge is to make our eco-safe beverage stand out in the market. Today, we'll discuss on how we can build a sustainable competitive advantage through differentiation, whether in product, service, or cost. Let's start with marketing.
Thank you, Mr. Tulabing. So our brand positioning now will be focused on being the first eco-friendly bottle drinks in our region. So 100% biodegradable bottle and locally sourced ingredients. So we're differentiating through our product innovations and brand values. So we're not just selling drinks here, but we're selling a lifestyle that supports sustainability. So we will strengthen our brand equity by emphasizing our stories that every bottle saves our planet. So we will going to use different social media campaigns, also community cleanups, and also we're going to have a influencer partnership to build emotional connection and to have a loyalty or to have a customer loyalty. So that's all.
That's a great start, Tagibalos. From an operation point of view, we'll gain an edge through cost leadership and efficiency. So we're partnering with local suppliers to reduce our transportation costs and carbon emission. So our production process will use a renewable energy and recyclable materials, which not only lower our costs but also to enhance our image as a green company. So by keeping production costs low, we can offer competitive prices without compromising our quality and mission.
In terms of customer experience, to strengthen our service differentiation, we'll focus on customer satisfaction. We'll introduce a return and rewards programs. Customers who return used bottles can earn points for discounts or free gifts. We also trained our staff to communicate our sustainability goals, learning and creating a friendly, informed, and consistent brand experience. Happy and loyal customers are our best form of advertising.
You've all presented great ideas, but let me challenge you. How can we make sure this advantage lasts? Many competitors now are still copy eco-friendly packaging or reward programs.
Excellent question, Ms. Kamra. Our sustainability mission is not just a marketing tactic. It's about our identity. We continue innovating by investing in new biodegradable materials and expanding into new market, like organic juice and plant-based milk. We also measure customer loyalty and market perception regularly to ensure our brand remains strong and trusted. Our mission of eco-friendly innovation, cost efficiency, and excellent customer experience give us a long-term edge that competitors find hard to imitate.
I'm impressed. It's clear that Ecosat Beverages really understands how to combine product, service, and cost differentiation to stay ahead. This strategy, you're not just making a profit, but also you're making a difference.
Thank you, Ms. Gamora. Let's keep working together to grow EcoSafe into a brand that represents innovation, responsibility, and sustainability. Thank you, everyone. Meeting adjourned.